Hello, my dear student. Good morning to all of you. I hope you are all well. Student, please take care about the coronavirus. Always use the mask. Sanitize your hands regularly. Okay, student, and stay your home. And taking the online classes at your home. Student, myself Gopali Srivastav. I am your science teacher and teach the biology section in the science. Student, in science biology section I am teaching you the chapter first about the food. I have already discussed in the previous classes the all topics in this chapter. I hope student you are all maintain your topics and questions inside the books in between the topics, that is the oral question. So student, today please take your book, science book, and take a rough copy or homework copy and use the pen. Okay student, so write down the what date today. Date is 22nd July 2020. Subject science biology. Okay, topic exercise of chapter first, that is food. Okay student, class 7. Okay student, now take your book. I am also taking your book because there are questions already given in book. So open. First of all, I have discussed about the saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, symbiotic nutrition, insectivorous nutrition. Okay student, and today I will discuss the exercise. First, the oral exercise of chapter first, food, page number 10. Page number 10. Write down in the front of question, oral question. Page number 10. Question first is, which types of nutrition is so by non-green plants? Student, non-green plants have no chlorophyll, so they depend upon the other sources. Okay, these types of the nutrition on food, that is called heterophytic. Heterotrophic. Answer HETE, heterotrophic nutrition. Second, write with pencil in the book. Don't write in the homework copy. And student, name one plant showing the saprophytic mode of nutrition. Student, saprophytic mode of nutrition means they feed the dead and decaying organic matter, that is fungi, mushrooms, algae, mushrooms. Okay, write down only one, that is a fungi. Mushroom also, MUSHROOM, mushrooms. You can write down any one. Third question is, name the two components in the thallus of lichen. Lichen, student, this is the lichens are found in the same plants. They are the combination of the alga and fungus. Alga and fungi. So alga and fungus. Okay, student, write down the alga as fungus. Fourth, by what name the practice of sowing a cereals crop alternately to a leguminous crop called? First, if we want to cereal crops in the field, after that they are deficient of the nitrogen in the particular soils. So to fulfill the nutrient nitrogen in the soil, grow the leguminous, that is the pulses. These types of the agriculture is called crop rotation method. So practice, this is called crop rotation method. Crop rotation method. Fifth, from where do the plants such as peaches plants get their nutrients? Students, peach plants are generally found in the marshy area where the deficit of the nitrogen in their soils. So they fulfill their nitrogen for getting the insects. So they fulfill their protein from the insects. There are so many examples. Peach plants get their nutrients from insects. insects. Write down answer. Okay, student. Can I rub this? Okay, student. I am going to rub this, and now I start exercise of page number 11. Question number, very short answer question. A very short question answer. Very short answer question. Answer questions. That is answer in one word. Answer in one word. Very simple answer. Question number 1. I will not write the questions. Okay, student. You will write the question in your notebook, means fair copy. Then write the answer. First question, then answer. Okay. Question is, name the process by which green plants make their food. Student, photosynthesis. Answer is photosynthesis. Write down only one word answer, that is photosynthesis. Answer first, answer second. What type of heterotrophs is a frog? Student, frog, they are carnivores because they did not eat the plants parts. They eat only the small insects, lice, okay, and grasshoppers. So these are the carnivore. Second answer is carnivore. Answer third. Question, what are the small pores on the under surface of the leaf is called? Student, stomata. Stomata. Stomata is a tiny pores which are found under surface of the leaf, which is responsible for the entering of the carbon dioxide for the making of their food. Okay, release oxygen gas also. So this is the way of the exchanges of the gases. Answer number 4. What is the mode of nutrition in fungi? Fungi are saprophytic. Saprophytic. S-A-P-R-O-P-H-Y. Saprophytic mode of nutrition found in fungi. Write down only saprophytic. Don't write the complete sentence. You can write only saprophytic. But I am write the whole answer of this question. Where does the bacterium Rhizobium live? Student, no. Rhizobium is a symbiotic bacteria. Symbiotic means the mutual benefit to each other. They are found in the leguminous plant. They fix the nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound. And the leguminous plant provides the shelter and the nutrients from the soils to the bacteria, Rhizobium bacteria. Okay, student. These types of the living in the same plant, that is called symbiotic nutrition. So Rhizobium live in the root nodules in leguminous plant. In the root nodules of leguminous plant. Okay. Answer 5. Answer now 6. No questions. After 5, only 5 questions. Now section B. Short answer questions. Answer in 10 to 15 words. 10 to 15 words. So I am going to rub this section B. Write down it in your rough copy. Don't write in the book. All questions should you write down in your notebook copy. Short answer questions. B. Short answer questions. Answer in 10 to 15 words. Answer in 10 to 15 words. Okay. Question 1, then answer 1. Question 1. Why are the animals and humans called heterotrophs? Why, student? You know, student, all green plants are producer and they are form their own food by the process of photosynthesis, and all animals are depend upon the plants. So the animals and humans called heterotrophs. The animals and human called HETE heterotrophs because they get their food I will write down some boldly. Food from autotroph. Okay. After each answer, you will draw a underline below the answer. Now answer number 2. You will write down the question also. Question 2. First write down the question in the notebook. Name the factors which affected photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is affected by the various factors, student. You know what is factor? Light intensity, okay, nature of light, temperature, okay, these are some points which affect the rate of photosynthesis. So the factors, write down the factors which affect photosynthesis are: first, light intensity, second, nature of light, okay student, temperature, tempera, temperature, and carbon dioxide, and water. Okay. Now the third question. Question number third. Answer third. Name one each of totally parasitic and partial parasitic plants. Give one example only. ठीक है स्टूडेंट? नो. आंसर नंबर 3, टोटली पैरासिटिक. TOTA, totally parasitic. Example easy, that is Cuscuta. CUSCU, also called Amarberry. B, partial parasitic plant. Partial parasitic plant. One example, mistletoe. MISTLETOE, mistletoe. I am going to rub the question number and answer number 2 and write down the question number. Write down the question number 4 and answer number 4. Write down the question. How are the soil nutrients replenished? Student, replenished, how get the nutrients soil from the various methods. So there are various methods by which the nutrients provide to the soil, that is by using manure, using fertilizers and crop rotation. Okay, this is some ways by which soil will be replenished. So student, the soil nutrients replenished the soil nutrients with REPLE replenished by using manure, 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 comma, fertilizer, fertilizers, and by crop rotation. Now I am going to drop the answer number 3 and write down the question and question number 5. Answer number 5th. What is crop rotation method, student? Crop rotation method. Student, the practice of sowing the cereal plants alternatively to a leguminous plant. This is the crop rotation method. Write down crop rotation method. Crop rotation method. This is the heading, and definition is the practice of sowing a cereal crop alternately to a leguminous plant, crop. Okay, student. This is the question answer of short answer question of section B or point B of this chapter. Now I am going to start the long answer type question. 10, 20 to 25 words. What are the function of food? Student, take a pencil and I will tick the answer of this question in your textbook and write down the all answer at your home. But I will solve this question answer in the next classes. But today in this period I will going to solve the section number D, point number D. Take the odd one out giving reason, because this is very small question answer. So write down the section D. Okay. Take the odd one out. D. Take the odd one out giving reason, REA reason. Number one. Answer number one. You will write down the question number one also. Okay. So green plants, photosynthesis, producer, carnivores, and last carbon dioxide. Student, read very carefully. Green plant related to photosynthesis, producers, carnivores, and carbon dioxide. Student, carnivores is the odd one. Is the odd one because carnivores are the flesh-eating animals, and are the words are related to the autotrophs. So, odd one out will be carnivores. Carnivore. Yes. Carnivore. Yes. Giving reason because. What? Because all words are related to what? Related to the green plant. Okay, student. Dry, underline. You do the answer. Question number 2. Write down answer. I will explain this. Starch, iodine solution, stomata and saprophytes. Student, starch is a food stored in the plants. Iodine solution, it is related to starch test, iodine test, that is called. Stomata is the tiny pores, and saprophyte is the, I think this is the odd one out because all are involved in the iodine test. Okay, student. So write down the answer. Yes, A, saprophyte. Reason is because rest are referred to iodine test. iodine iodine test. Write down. And question number 3rd, answer number 3rd. I am not going to write down the question. You will write down question number 3rd. Answer number 3rd. Water, chlorophyll, root hair, carbon dioxide. Student, water, chlorophyll, root hair. Root hair is the part of the plants, and other are the raw materials of the photosynthesis. So write down the root hair. In the examination, you should write this way. Write first off, write all the points, and you will tick the above the points which is the correct, and give the reason. So don't write in this type. You can also write down this type, but tick means suppose carnivorous in above point, you will tick these types and give the reason. So this is my short answer. In question you can write down the answer also in the front of the question. So write down the carnivorous, suppose saprophytic, root hair, because student, what question is? Water, chlorophyll, root hair and carbon, because since rest of them related to the photosynthesis. Because since rest of Don't write the because. If you write down the since rest rest of them are raw materials of photosynthesis. You can write down only this, since the rest of them related to the photosynthesis. Okay, student, and write down 4 and 5 very fast. Write down 4. Question number 4. Fungi mushroom saprophytic cuscuta. Student, cuscuta, because all of them, that is fungi, mushroom and saprophytic, get their food from dead and decaying organic matter, while the cuscuta is parasitic. Okay, student, write down cuscuta. Cuscuta, tick there, because, okay, since rest are get their food from dead and decaying matters. Dead and decaying matters, while cuscuta is parasite. Okay, and 5th, manure, urea, ammonium nitrate and rhizobium. Student, rhizobium, rhizobium. Rhizobium, because student, you know rhizobium, because rhizobium is the bacteria. Since rest are nitrogen containing compounds, since rest are nitrogen containing compounds, okay, and rhizobium is a bacteria. So write down the answer and write down the homework. Write and learn the given question answer of chapter 1st in today's online class. Okay, write and learn very short form the given question answer of chapter 1 in today's online class. Write down, student, and thank you for cooperating in online classes. Hope you will all write down the question answer in your fair copy. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. Write down this.